Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 7. Open your browser, any browser you have. If you don't have browser, click on Internet Explorer. On the search bar type here Google Chrome, download, then hit enter. Open this first link, google.com. Google by default detect your system. If you use Windows 10 or 11, Google will load Google Chrome for Windows 10 or 11. If you use Windows 7, Google load Chrome for Windows 7. Now my Windows 7 is 64-bit. It is 64-bit for me. If your system is 32, it is 32 for you. Download Chrome. Download Chrome manually. Here ask you, do you want to run or save Chrome setup.exe? If you want to save, click on save. If you want to run, click on run. I recommend to click on run. Connecting to the internet. This step will take a few moments to download Google Chrome setup. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. It is download completely. Installing is start. Close this one. Now you have Google Chrome here. If you want to uninstall, click on Start, Control Panel, Program and Future. Here we have Google Chrome. Right click and install. So I want to uninstall. Guys, if you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.